Hey guys, it's Jonathan, and today we're talking about headlight restoration on this vehicle, my 2013 Kia Rio, or as I call, the toy. Now everyone at one point or another has seen this or has experienced this yellowing effect over the headlights. This is oxidization that's happening. And some people have spent hundreds of dollars getting their headlights back to a perfect factory clarity. And while you may need to do that, depending on how bad it is, there are maintenance things that you can do to the vehicle just to maintain the clarity. There are different kits, and I'm going to show you the one that I've been using for literally years. Sorry guys, the car is dirty. I'm going to get it washed, but I want to do the headlights first before I get it washed. This is the Turtle Wax headlight lens restorer, and it actually works very, very well. This is the only one that I have used another one before. I forget the brand, but this one is the one I've been using really for years. It's not expensive. I paid $8.95 for this at Walmart. And I try to do this probably about every 3 months. Except for this vehicle. This vehicle, I've never done it before. Okay, so while the kit comes with some pads for cleaning, honestly, what I've always used are just some regular white cotton towels. You can also use the microfiber ones and maybe shop towels as well. They also work, but you want to make sure there's something that's not going to leave any residue behind once you're cleaning the lens, and then also something that's not going to be super abrasive either, because it is plastic after all and you can scratch it. So I use these towels. If you want to use what's in the kit, you can. The only thing is that what's in the kit may not last you, depending on how much work you need to put into it, how hard you need to scrub. They may deteriorate before you're actually finished with the job. So I recommend these. All right, opening up the kit again, this is what we've got. We've got of course, our ceramic acrylic wipes. We've got the solution itself, the pad, and what is also in the box, which I didn't tell you, is there is a glove. And you definitely should wear this, especially if you're someone with sensitive skin. It could affect you. So let's get to work. Also, I want to make sure you guys realize that this scrubbing pad has 2 different sides. So this is side 1, side 2. Side 1 is a lot thicker grain, and side 2 is a lot smoother grain. So you're going to start with side 1 when we scrub, and then we'll go to side 2 to kind of smooth it out. All right, let's begin. Okay, now it's open. So we're going to put it right onto the headlight here. Just a couple of drops. Now we're going to take just a corner of the towel, and we're just going to, in circular motion, rub this. All right, so we've got it spread in here. And I can already feel, especially in this area right here, this is really gritty. So I'm actually going to use the scrubbing pad that has come with the set. Okay, so to start with the pad, you're going to just wet a little bit of that area that we're working on. Then we're going to wet the pad itself. And I'm trying to do this with one hand, you guys. Then we're going to start with our side 1, which is the green side. And we're just going to lightly massage the lens. And according to the instructions, it says to do it for 30 seconds. And then on the other side, number 2, it says do in the opposite direction or counterclockwise, or the opposite direction for 30 seconds as well. And of course, you're gonna have to put some elbow grease in it, so you're gonna press hard on it to be able to get that shine out.